So India's final practice session before the first T20I against Australia here at the Manuka Oval has started, and today is an optional session, but almost all the players are here. Here in this frame you can see Akshar Patel in the left hand side, Shubman Gill in the middle, and Jitesh Sharma trying his innovative strokes, working along with head coach Gautam Gambhir in the right hand side net. So you can see the main bowlers are not bowling apart from Arshdeep Singh, but Shubman Gill is facing the net bowlers and Arshdeep Singh mainly. Here you can see Arshdeep Singh coming on to bowl to Shubman Gill, and he is interchanging with Sanju Samson here. So no Abhishek Sharma as his batting partner at the nets today. But you can see at the right hand side this net that Jitesh is trying all his innovative strokes and working along with Gautam Gambhir, especially the shots behind the square, behind the wickets, and that is an area which Jitesh has mastered somehow over the last couple of years. He has been in good touch when it comes to the IPL for the RCB. Now Akshar has been replaced by Rinku Singh as well, so everyone is getting the chances to bat on, interchanging along with their respective partners. Jitesh is doing this specific net just to make sure he plays those shots, he masters those shots behind the square. So, pretty interesting drill here to start the practice session with. Gautam Gambhir tried to bluff him with a ball outside the off stump. All eyes will be on Sanju Samson as well. Asia Cup was the start of a new role for Sanju Samson at number 5, and it remains to be seen how he does, especially on Australian pitches. Where there's bounce and he's a good player of short deliveries, bouncy deliveries. So Sanju will love to bat on here on these pitches, and again he will also like to master that particular role, the finishers, middle order kind of a role at number 5, number 6. So it's going to be an interesting new fresh start for Sanju Samson. Although he played at the same role in the Asia Cup as well, he did not find consistent success there in that particular role. Although he played a good knock or two there, but again consistency wise, he would like to hit form and consistency in a regular fashion. Edged. Whereas Jitesh Sharma is mostly working on playing on his leg side, behind the square, behind the wickets. Rant and Deshkate, Gautam Gambhir, they both are working along with Jitesh Sharma. And if I pan slightly, then you will see Tilak Verma also taking on the spinners. So focus will be on Tilak as well. He has achieved great stardom, good shot. He's taking on the spinners. You can see Abhishek Sharma is having a bowl. Now Surya Kumar Yadav has interchanged with Tilak and will take on the spinner. So Abhishek currently is not batting. He's focusing on his bowling along with Washington Sundar. So these two spinners are currently bowling to Surya Kumar Yadav and Tilak Verma at the far right net. So yeah, stay tuned to Ref Sports for all the updates regarding India's practice session, India's net session here at the Manuka Oval in Canberra, and we will continue to give you all the updates. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any video from here.